Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your photo with ripped paper frame and Trippy effects on Canva. So here, what you need to do first is open a blank design on Canva and then just add your just click on plus icon and then click on elements. Here, just click on or search for rip a paper frame. Here click on frames, and now you can choose which one that you like, but I'm going to use this one, the square one. And then you can just adjust the size to fully cover the canvas like this. Then just add your photo. Click on the plus icon again, and here you can just add your photo. So I'm going to add these photos right here and drag the photo into the frame. Okay, so the photo has been added. Now you can just resize it to make it fit the frame like this. Okay, so just adjust both photos like this. Okay, you can just zoom it in to fit the photo. Okay, and now to add the Trippy effect, you can just click on the photo. You can just choose which one. I'm going to use this part of the photo. Just go to effect and then find the Trippy category. Oops, this one. So in here, click on the radiate effect, and here you can adjust, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Then you can again adjust the positions of the photo. Okay, so that's it. You can just go back, and now the photo will look like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.